Hello everyone, I am Shine and you are watching Civil Engineering Tips channel. This is the 8th tutorial of STAAD Pro. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about mirror command. If you want to get a mirror copy of your structure, then you have to use mirror command. So let's talk about it. Before using mirror command, let's create a structure. If you stand in front of a mirror, inside the mirror a copy of yourself will be created. Similarly, if we apply mirror command on this structure, then we will get a mirror object of this structure. But the question is, where is the mirror here? Here there is no mirror, but you have to define a plane as a mirror. There are three planes in STAAD Pro, and that is XY, YZ and ZX. And you can place these three mirror through any node. Before doing that, you have to select the structure. I have selected my structure by a window. To get mirror command, I have to go here. There is generate mirror command. You can click on this icon, or you can go to geometry option. Then you will get the mirror command here. I am clicking on this option. Now I have to set the mirror, which is called as plane in STAAD Pro. By default, here the mirror plane is YZ plane. If you look at this UCS, then you will understand where the plane is. YZ plane is situated in this orientation, XY plane is situated in this orientation, and ZX plane is situated in this horizontal orientation. Let's choose this vertical one, YZ plane. Now you have to put this YZ plane on a node. You can place it anywhere. I want to put this in this node. This node is node number 1, the first node we created. To define this node, you have to select this node first, but to do that I need a cursor, and I will click on this box. Then I will get a special cursor to select that node. I am selecting on this node. Then the node is selected, and this point is 3 meters away from the origin. That's why here it is 3 meters. Now come to this option, generate mode. If you want to make a copy, then you will choose this copy option. The main object will not be deleted, or if you want to delete the main object, then it will work like move. The mirror object will be generated, but the main object will be deleted. I'm not doing that. I want the copy, so I'm clicking on copy. Then I click OK. See how easily we have created the mirror object of this main structure. Let's undo. Then go to mirror command. This time I want to put my mirror plane at my origin where x is 0. So I will not select any kind of node. I will just give the coordinate of x, that is 0. By default that is 0 here, and I am clicking OK. See, now the mirror object is 6 meters far from the main object. The main object was 3 meters from the origin, and here was the plane, and the mirror object has been created 3 meters far from this origin. So total distance between the main and mirror object is 6 meters. Let's undo again and then click on mirror command. This time I want to use XZ plane as my mirror plane, and I want to select the node here, and this one will be my node, and then click OK. This time my mirror object has been created perpendicular to XZ plane. Let's undo again. Select the object, and I'm clicking here. You cannot use the plane on where structure is drawn. This structure is drawn on XY plane. You can get the mirror object on XY plane from other node outside this object, but if you select any node on this object, then you will not get the mirror object. You will just get a copy which will overlap the main object. If I am selecting here XY plane and I am selecting this node, then if I click OK, then my mirror object just overlapped on my main object. So I hope this is clear to you. If you have any problems or you face any kind of troubles, then please comment below, or you can use the email address that I have given to description. Till then, happy learning, keep practicing. See you in the next video.